In today's video, we will learn about the importance of water. We know we use water for various purposes like drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. We also need water for digesting food and removing the waste material from our body. Plants and animals also require water. So we can say that water is the chief life giver. About three-fourths of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Water can exist in all the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. We need to drink 7 to 8 glasses of clean water every day to remain healthy. Water which is fit for drinking is known as potable water. That means the water that we can drink and is safe for drinking is known as potable water. Now, water is a good solvent. The polar nature of water allows it to interact with the charged ion in the salt, separating them and surrounding each ion. This process results in the salt becoming dissociated into individual ions which are then evenly distributed throughout the water. That means if you dissolve something in water, suppose you dissolve the common salt, that is NaCl, in water, that is H2O. So as we know, water is a good solvent. That means this NaCl will break into Na positive and Cl negative when it is dissolved in water. That's why we can say that water is a good solvent. Now, moving ahead, some substances like glass, metals, and sands are insoluble in water. Some other substances like common salt, sugar, etc. dissolve in water and are called soluble substances. Let us do an activity to show dissolution a number of salts in the water. So, the aim of the activity is to show dissolution of a number of salts in water. Materials required will be a beaker, sugar, salt, a glass rod, sodium carbonate and potassium chloride. Procedure will be: first, take 4 beakers of equal size, fill each beaker half with water. Pour a little quantity of each sugar, salt and sodium carbonate, also the potassium chloride, into each beaker of all the 4 beakers. Stir all this solution of 4 beakers with a glass rod properly, and now observe what will you see. So these are the 4 substances, that is sugar, salt, sodium carbonate and potassium chloride. Now from this we will observe that each of the 4 substances dissolves completely to give a clear and transparent solution in the water. Now, seawater has salt dissolved in it, hence it has saltish taste. Water can dissolve many substances in it at the same time. Example, in the same glass of water, common salt, sugar, glucose can be stirred and dissolved. Solute is a substance that get dissolved in other substances, like here the common salt, sugar and glucose are the solutes that are getting dissolved in the water. Now, and is present in the smaller quantity. These are the solutes. Now, solvent is a substance which dissolves other substance in it. Like the water here is the solvent which is dissolving common salt, sugar and glucose in it. Now, the product formed by the dissolving a solute in a solvent is called a solution. Example, common salt, that is a solute dissolved in water, and water here is the solvent to make a salt solution. Moving ahead, solubility of gases in water and its important. A solute dissolved in water can be in gaseous state also, like oxygen. Dissolved in water helps aquatic animals to breathe and survive. We know the oxygen bubbles present in water helps the aquatic life or fishes to breathe underwater through their gills, right? Also, the carbon dioxide dissolved in water is present in the soft drinks that you drink, and it is a source of food for water plant also. So this is all about the importance of water. I hope this topic is now clear to you. Thank you.